Today I'm going to be changing out the rear brakes on a 2013 Mazda 3. This is the sedan version, the Sky Active version. Excuse me, bro. But first things first, I'm going to loosen up the lug nuts. These are size 21 millimeter. Um, but I'm going to go ahead and do that, loosen it up first, and then I'll go ahead and jack up the car. Now that I have the tire off, um, we're going to loosen up. We're going to take these rubber grommets off. It's like a plastic piece that and all you just pretty much just like put your fingernail in there. There's one up here and there's one on the bottom right here. That's it. Inside it is a Allen pattern. So the tool I'm using, it's a 7mm Allen. So if you don't like these 7mm, they're pretty hard to find, but luckily I had a set of Allen and this happened to be in one of them. So yeah, if you're lucky and you have a 7, that's good. If you don't, you might as well just go to the store and buy yourself a 7. But let's go ahead and remove the top one. And yeah, what I like to do to loosen it is use a hammer. And what I'll do is go ahead and kind of have it in place like that, and we'll use the neck, and that's how you unloosen. And I'll go ahead and loosen up the top one. You have these metal retainer clips right here, and I'm just gonna pry them open. Once you unloosen the bolts, you want to have the handbrake off, but since this is a manual, I have it in gear so it doesn't roll. So you want to have the handbrake off, otherwise it's going to be tough for you to take this off. So yeah, let's go ahead and pry this open. So all I'm doing now is just cleaning up where the brake pads would go, just so it has a nice clean surface. And pretty much all you do is put some on the sides. Put some on the backing plate. Just don't get any on the actual pad itself. Just like that. And then you go ahead and do it for the other side. So to put this on, and it goes on just like that. So now what I have to do is compress the piston on the caliper. So this is my finished product. Don't mind all the spatter. I don't need this to be like hella fancy looking, but this is what it looks like. Now time to test it out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now I just gotta put it back together. Okay. 7. And I gotta put the clip. Just like that. And now we put the tire back on. Just double check. Okay. Move everything. These are torqued down to 80 to 108. So I'll just go ahead and do like 8. To tighten it, star pattern. I already have mine set to about 85. And you'll know when to stop because it will click like that. That's it. Thank you for watching.